my dear friends. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. I am PN Murthy. Today I am going to explain about accounting cycle. Okay, so accounting cycle means it is a circle. It is a circle. It never goes to end. Never goes to end. Okay, never ending process. So that it will start with the transaction. The transactions will be prepared as journals. Okay, we will write the transactions in journals, and thereafter those journals should be next classified into ledger accounts, that is individual ledger. That means what? Always we will prepare the journals on chronological basis, means the 365 days, the total 365 days the data we are unable to store in our mind and we can forget. Okay, so God given us a little memory, so that what we will do, we have to write these things in a particular paper or a book. Okay, specified by a person who is handover, the person who is able to write. Okay, a qualified person, means the work should be assigned to a particular person. He only will write every day, that is today transactions in the journal. After completion of that, the chronological manner we prepared these things. That means one individual person's account, how many times be arises, that should be prepared account in ledger account. That means classification of accounts is known as ledger account. So first of all journal, thereafter ledger accounts. Okay, so when we prepare the ledger accounts, individual accounts we prepared, then it will give a summary to us that how much amount of money due from the business to outsiders, or outsiders how much amount be payable to our business. Okay, we can come to the conclusion finally after preparation of ledger account. With the summaries of all ledger accounts, we will go through trial balance. So trial balance is prepared to know the arithmetic accuracy of accounting, arithmetic accuracy of the accounting, as well as for preparation of financial statements. So for preparation of financial statements and for knowing the arithmetic accuracy of the business, every business organizations are preparing trial balance. Clear? So is there any more problem be made in trial balance, that will be need some adjustments, that is known as adjusting entries, means rectification of errors. Okay, so after completion of that, we have to prepare adjusted trial balance. So this is not compulsory for the business, means a trial balance is most essential. If trial balance agrees and no more errors at all, then we can go through process for final accounts. But before go to that, if any more errors be detected in case of trial balance, we must need to go through rectification of errors for rectification of the journal entries. Thereafter we will go through adjusted trial balance. So when adjusted trial balance will prepared by us, thereafter we will go to trading account. Okay, thereafter we will go to trading account. Here it is, trading account means it is a financial statement of the business. So financial statement of the business may be prepared for two types, that is for manufacturing concerns as well as for trading concerns. If manufacturing concerns are there, that means who are engaged in production and sale of goods. Okay, who are engaged in production and sale of goods by using the material. Okay, by using the material and put them in the process. After that, some process may be included, that means adopted, that finally it will give a good final product output to the society, which will be used for final consumers, okay, and users. So in this case, we have to prepare manufacturing account, thereafter trading account, thereafter profit and loss account, thereafter balance sheet. But a concern which is engaged in only trading goods, that means what? Purchase of goods and services and sell them again without changing any more shape. That type of organizations needs what? Trading account, profit and loss account, as well as balance sheet. So when our trial balance is completed, thereafter the final data of trial balance means the summary of ledgers is known as trial balance. That summary we will take in your final account for preparation of financial statement. So why we are preparing financial statement means to know the profitability of the business. Okay, profitability of the business, and thereafter to know the position of the business. Two concepts are there now. One is to know the profitability of the business. Profitability can be calculated by preparing trading account as well as profit and loss account. By preparing trading account, the output is known as gross profit or gross loss. Whereas that gross profit, gross loss is the input of preparation of profit and loss account. This profit and loss account prepared by taking some of the some of the history or some of the information of trial balance. This trial balance information helps to prepare trading account, profit and loss account as well as balance sheet. Clear? So for preparation of profit and loss account, we need either gross profit or gross loss related from trading account. So this trading account will help us to prepare profit and loss account. So finally, profit and loss account will give output to us as net profit or net loss. Let the credit side is more than debit side, means expenses are more than the incomes, then it is known as loss. Okay, that is net loss. If incomes are more, or we can say the credit side is more than the debit side, then it is known as net profit. So net profit is completely relating to the owner's property, owner's results of the business, final result of the business after made some more reserves for taxation, etc. The remaining will be distributed among the shareholders. This is the final profit of the business. Okay. Thereafter go to balance sheet. So balance sheet means what? Here it should be, balance sheet means it should be a position statement of assets as well as liabilities, capital, reserves, provisions, etc. So these should be indicated in balance sheet. Finally, we can come to know the total final amount of position, that is short-term financial position, long-term financial position, and that is working capital position. Okay, stock position, creditors position, debtors position, etc., and capital position, etc. So again, while we are preparing trading account, profit and loss and balance sheet, the entries prepared for that is known as closing entries. Okay, that is known as closing entries. So this closing entry again restarts in the journal as opening entry. Clear? So that it is a never-ending process. It is always moving like a circle on the clockwise basis is known as accounting cycle. Accounting cycle means it is a circle. It moves, it starts from transaction journal, thereafter ledger, thereafter trial balance, thereafter trading account, thereafter profit and loss account, thereafter balance sheet. Here we will prepare and means at the end we will prepare journal entries. That journal entries is known as closing entries. That journal is known as closing entries should be prepared on 31st of December if the accounts are closed on that day. That means what? Ending day of accounting year, we have to prepare closing entries with the information of trading account, profit and loss account. These closing entries reopened in the next year as the opening balance of the business in the form of journals, again in the form of opening entries. Okay, opening entries. So my dear friends, so these are the process of preparation of accounting cycle. It is never ending process till the business is go to end. That means when the business is going to shut down, at that time we can close this account till it will run away. Means continuously it will run year by year, day by day, months by months, etc. It never go to end. It is known as accounting cycle. Okay, stay in home. Thank you, my dear friends, to watch my video. Okay, thank you.